Hey all, I hope everyone is doing great. Today I'm going to share 5 tips to score higher in SAT test. So this is especially for those who are preparing for SAT or whose SAT test is close. Make sure that you are watching this because this is actually going to help you. This is video that you can't miss at any cost. So, and also I tell this to all my offline students about these points that they should remember before giving their actual SAT. So first of all, first thing is to manage the time. Time management actually plays a very important role in doing all the 22 questions in 35 minutes. There might most of the students, what happens, no, they are spending too much time in the beginning, and then after that they are doing happy clicks, they are just randomly clicking the options without even reading the question. That actually lead to score less because you never know. It's an uncertainty. You do not know whether that answer is going to be right or wrong, right? So manage your time. Try to complete your question in the whole module in 20 minutes. You have 22 questions, so let's say 22 minutes. Give 1 minute to each question. If you think that you're able to do that questions in 1 minute, do it, click the answer and move forward. But if you think that you are nowhere reaching to the answer, then move on. Mark it as review and move on to the next question. Don't spend too much time in any question. Try to finish your test in 2 rounds. What I mean by that, suppose you have question number one, two, three, four, five. Okay, let's suppose you have 5 questions. You have 22 questions, but I'm just telling you, suppose you did question number one, but you got stuck in question number two. You tried doing question two till 1 minute, but after that you thought that, oh no, I am not reaching to the answer at all. So you just skip it. You're marking for review, and then you move on to third one. You did third, again you stuck in fourth, so you marked as review and move on to the fourth. Now there are 2 questions to be left, so round one is done. You will do the same thing till 22nd question. Then you came back again. Now you will do those missed questions or the questions that you marked for review. So that is the round two. Don't go beyond that. Don't do so many visits or don't spend too much of time in one question. Suppose if I say that you are leaving 3 to 4 questions for review, okay, and you have completed, let's say, your answer, the what to say, the whole module in 25 minutes, let's say, okay, still you have 10 minutes and you can divide that 10 minute equally and you will get 2 to 3 minutes for each question to review, so you'll get enough time to think. But if you're not following this technique, you might stuck, you might end up losing some marks, you might end up doing happy clicks by the end, right? Just guessing the answer and clicking. So that actually don't work. Use desmos. There are some questions in which you can use desmos. Most of the questions are there where you can use desmos. There is only one or two type of question where you can use GDC, right? I have shared a detailed video on how to use desmos, in which cases we can use desmos, in what all topics of math we can use desmos, and in that playlist of desmos you are going to get everything you will be learning all about desmos. So make sure you can go to that. I'll share the link in the description box. You can check out that video so that you will get an idea, okay, and keep on checking the playlist frequently because every day you're going to get one video. So use desmos. Desmos for trust me, if you learn how to use desmos, that is going to be very easy for you. Every time for every question, you're going to say, "Oh, let me use desmos for this," and it is good also. You will save so much of time. There are some strategies to do the questions. Suppose there is a question which wherein you have to quadratic equation is given, okay, and some other option, in option also some equations are given and they are telling you to find, let's say, x plus 2, x square plus 1, it's a cubic. Now in the options also they are giving you equation and they are telling you to find out the equivalent equation, equivalent answer. So are you going to expand and do it? No, I'm going to plug in the value. So there are some strategies in which you can do more difficult questions so easily. For that you need to be very the continuity you should maintain. You should be consistent in the channel so that you can go with those strategies, you can practice and learn it. Last is to practice as much as mocks you can, okay. College Board actually offers you a few free mocks, so you can directly visit to College Board website and register yourself, and from there you can practice it. Only practice mock when the concepts are clear. Otherwise, there is no sense of only practicing questions when you have no concept clarity. If you want to learn any particular concept, do let me know in the comment section the name of that concept. Okay, I'll make a separate video, I'll share it with you. Also, I'm gonna make one WhatsApp channel where you can directly be in touch with me. I will be sharing if there will be any update, there will be any notes, or if there is anything that is important for an SAT student, I'm gonna share it. So that's all for today. If you have any other tip to share, you can tell me in the comment section, and do check the Desmos video. If you, there, I have shared what all topics you can use Desmos for, and yeah, that's it. So that's all for today. I hope this video was helpful. Do let me know by commenting. That's all. Bye bye.